Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my easy low carb keto beef stew recipe. Let's begin. If you are craving for beef stew, here I come with this recipe. First, I'm going to fry this beef. I have 2 pounds of stew beef. I'm frying on this pan with avocado oil. Once this fried, once it looks brown, then I'm going to take this out from this pan. In the same pan, I'm going to add onions. You can take 1 large onion and fry in the same pan. You can add some salt with that if you like. Once the onion is fried, now it's time to add bone broth. Now I have here 100% grass-fed, grass-finished bone broth of 500 ml. So I'm using whole bag of that. You can add any bone broth that you want to use. Now I have mushroom and carrot chopped, adding in the same pan. Now add some water to cook it very well. Stir it so that everything combined. Then it's time for all my spices. So I'm going to start with ginger garlic paste. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. You can get it from scratch. Most of the time I have store-bought ginger garlic paste, so I have used that. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, not tablespoon. That will be too much. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You can have this masala in any grocery store or bulk bun in Canada. Then 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika. And obviously salt for taste. All these I'm cooking in avocado oil and coconut oil. When I'm frying something, I use avocado oil. Otherwise, I use coconut oil for cooking. Now mix it very well, then cover everything. Once it's 20 to 25 minutes of boiling, cooking, you can see all your vegetable and meat is soft enough to eat. Then taste the salt, and here your beef stew recipe is ready. Enjoy your meal. See you in the next recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipe like this.